Hi, today I have a very interesting padlock for you guys. It's a awesome Ruko padlock. Uh, this one was sent to me by Lockmania. Lockmania, thank you very much for sending it to me. You know, I really like these Ruko locks. And here's the key, made in Denmark. Yeah, it's an awesome lock, but it was without key. I repin it to this key. He was sending me with one another lock, so now it's working with this one. This is very nice lock. It's interchangeable core, cannot be shim, cannot be bypass. It's everything is very nice. It's a 5-pin lock, so it's working very nice. It's an old one, pre-use. Here, that's the that's how it can be removed, the core. So yeah, let's start picking it. As you can see, I don't know if you can notice, but the core is offset, so the chambers are offset a bit. It's not like straight like this, it's offset. So probably that's because the pins cannot go outside, or yeah, I really don't know, maybe because of how it's a function, but it is offset, so it's a different, but that's why I'm saying it's very awesome lock. And again, Lockmania, thank you very much for sending it to me. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 click, 5 nothing. So go back, I'm stuck on pin 2, I think. Click on 2, click on 1, again 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5. Oh, I touch 5 and small turn on the core, and in full set, so it's looking straight, but it's because it's offset, so that's why I'm saying now I'm in full set. So I think pin 2 is giving me counter rotation, or 3 up, yeah, and we're open. So yeah, it's okay pick, nothing special. But there are security pins in it. I think I can't remember. I think there are mushrooms, but yeah, we'll see. So let me disassemble it. While I'm disassembling, I want to just remind you guys that if you do not know, currently I have like 1 year anniversary, so there is a giveaway going on a couple more days. So just go to my video number 75 and just comment it, like, subscribe. You can add a comment like what's the log that is currently giving you a hard time, and yeah, just I'm giving away a lot of locks. So yeah, let's continue with this one. So after with a little bit of struggle with disassembling, now the lock is disassembled. So here's the core, nothing done on the core, and here's the body, and you can see how the chambers are going like this. Come on, focus. So I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, it is what it is. And you can see here like how they drill it. You can see the punching on that side, and yeah, here's the pins. As I said, I changed some of the pins, so let me give you a close-up. Because I do not have a long pin, I put a master wafer. So everything on top is standard. Bottom from 1, 3 and 5, 1, 4 and 5 they're tempered at the end, and 2 and 3 they are spool or mushroom like. I don't know if you can see, but they are like mushroom. So that's it, guys. Sorry for the bad disassembly. This was the very nice Ruko padlock. It was sent to me by Lockmania. Again, thank you very much for sending it to me. Guys, again, I want to remind you, there is 2 or 3 days left until end of my giveaway. So go check my video number 75, like, subscribe, add a comment, and again, this was the very nice Ruko lock, and have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.